So, little spoiler alert, I'm on my way to go to, thank you, I'm on my way to go and meet a very special lady who was part of the Internationals, who, if you saw my Instagram, basically rode every single stage of the Tour de France one day ahead of the blokes. God, it's so noisy. There is a race going on, to be fair. So I'm going to head down there to meet her and just chat to her, because I am so inspired by that. And people throw that word around a lot, but for those women to go and do that, I did the Etape last year, and even that was like one day was hard enough. So to do 21 stages of it, or 21 days of it, is insane. So let's go and chat to her. We're doing it! We are over halfway on the whole tour in distance. Now, we have got the Pyrenees and the Alps still to come, but on distance, we're over halfway. So I know I make lots of you laugh, and that's cool and keeps me going, but today's not funny. I properly broke down at lunch. I was giving one of the other girls a cuddle because she was crying. My last bit of positivity, and I broke down. I'm fed up of being sore, fed up of suffering, fed up of being knackered, fed up of that shit. I'm fed up of pissing at the side of the road, but I'm going to carry on. I know I've got this. It's the hardest thing I've ever done. So thank you for your support, because it's keeping me going. Champs-Élysées, here we come! Woohoo! We completed it, and I just got engaged. What is going on? So, tell us who you are, what people will know. So if you've been following my Instagram, you'll know that I've been following the Internationals, who have just share what you've done, the incredible thing that you've done.
So yeah, 10 of us just rode the full route of the Tour de France the day before the pros. We're just 10 amateur cyclists, all female, and just wanted to do it to spread the message about equality, women's cycling, and bridge that gender gap a bit.
And how was it?
It was brutal. It was just absolutely exhausting, but amazing, and we made a difference, which is the main thing. It was incredible because it's the day before the race, so all the campers are set up and they're all screaming and shouting, and some of them we saw like 3 or 4 times because they would follow the tour. So it was wonderful, but so hard. Like, it was, every day was long in the mountains, but yeah, we made it.
But that's what makes it so impressive, that it's the Tour de France and you are all regular riders, and I think that is what I definitely took from it. Was just like, oh my god, these women, how are they doing this every day, just going out and doing these massive Ks and
massive.
And I think the thing that I find most impressive is you were doing all your own transfers, you were cooking your own meals,
everything. So yeah, we did everything ourselves, so it made the days long, because there was transfers and food and washing and all the boring stuff, but yeah.
Amazing.
It's hard.
And so what you'll be doing next year, do you think you might be?
I would do it again, absolutely, yeah. Because even though we've made quite a lot of changes, nothing massive is going to change overnight. So the ASO is saying that there's going to put a committee in place to make some changes and look at a women's Tour de France, but it's not going to happen quickly. These things take ages, so I think we'll have to do it at
keep
least.
Stacking on the pressure, keep going back every year.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we'll do it again. We'll be excited to see what route it'll be next year. I think that's October that that's announced, and I've heard a couple of leaked things already that it might be Ventoux and Alpe d'Huez and stuff like that, so I'm like, oh man.
They are iconic, proper iconic.
Proper iconic stuff. So we had a few amazing ones this year. So it was the highest ever Tour de France. We had Col d'Iseran, which is the highest paved road in Europe, and when we were up there was snow and stuff at the top, but then earlier that day it was 44 degrees. It was just the whole range of, you know, conditions and temperatures and stuff, and we just took it all in our stride, and we we did more than the men because their race was cancelled on one day and then cut short the next day. So yeah, we did 2 extra mountains, and all 10 of us rolled over the line in Paris, which was unbelievable.
It is an incredible, like, I just love the story of it. I love that you're just all regular women just going out smashing out the Tour de France. So
anyone can do it. You just got to train real hard, take it serious, and anyone can do it because we all have day jobs. Some of us have kids, so if we can do it, anyone can. But you just got to really want to do it, and then and just keep motivated. And everyone's support is what was helping us too. So thank you.
I was following all those. I was like, you could do it. You could do it.
And all that really helped
Definitely.
because we knew that we were making a difference and we were inspiring people, and that helps you go and carry on.
And so if you want to follow what you're all up to at Internationals, I'll leave a link to it so you can go and have a quick look at what they're up to. So thank you so much.
Thank
so
you,
nice
Katie.
to meet you.
Thank you.
So loud.
I know, what fucking helicopter.
You could do with someone holding it. Right, let me try and... Maybe I'll just put the camera on you actually. I might just stand in front of you. With my what? With my helmet?